Hey guys, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my crew members who are called my subbies, and welcome if you're watching me for the first time. I'm Desiree Marie and I do lock videos. I talk about my locks. I've been locked for 2 years now, so I show you guys everything. I show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. I show you everything that I do with my hair. Yes, I bring you guys in the shower with me as I wash my hair. Up close, pics of this. Not everybody gets to see an up close look of what your locks look like while they're getting washed. I give you guys those extra close-up shots. So if you're interested in seeing my hair in its realest, rawest state, check me out, subscribe. I also do maintaining my hair and styling my hair as well. I update you guys almost every day, so it's always a treat, something new, something fresh. If you're looking for something fresh to watch, yes. I hope that you guys enjoy my channel. Subscribe for lock inspiration, and I also do some vlogs here and there so you can get to know my personality in life. But anyway, today I want to talk to you guys just very candidly. Yesterday I had a conversation with a girl that I know, and she has the most beautiful locks. I mean, her locks are the thickness that a lot of us are looking to have. Each lock is thick. I mean, she's got a whole lot of hair. Her roots are thick. It's not, her hair is not in any type of thinning condition. She's just got a nice head of thick hair. But I always see her with a hat, and only yesterday she wore her hair down from the bun that she usually wears, with her cap. And I said, wow, I really love your hair. Like, when I see people with beautiful locks, I compliment them. Like, there might have been like 5, maybe 3, 4, 5 women that I complimented just last week on their locks. Beautiful, beautiful locks. So I told her, like, I just love your locks. Like, here I am trying to grow my hair. Your hair is beautiful. And of course I wanted to touch her hair. I asked her first, because you can't just come up on somebody and touch their hair, obviously. Not everybody is about that. But I asked her to touch it, and I was just talking to her like, wow, I really love your hair. Your hair is beautiful. She took off her cap and she showed me places that she was actually in the middle of taking out her locks. And I was taken back for a second, because I know my goal here. I'm trying to grow my hair down to my, my waist, nice and long, so I can get those nice hairstyles in. And I told her, what? I was taken back because her hair is so beautiful. And for me, I'm trying to get to that place. She's had her locks for over 5 years. And I'm trying to get to where she is right now. So I was taken back, and I said, oh my gosh, like, why did you do that? But then I had to think, Desiree, you cannot tell someone else what to do with their hair. They're gonna do what they wanna do. And it's not about locks, it's not about loose natural hair, it's not even about permed hair. It's about what you choose to do with your hair, And for her, she told me, yeah, I am ready to take these out because I've had them for such a long time. Also, she's not really sure, like, whether or not she's going to do it, because she's kind of leaning towards the opinions of other people. So I told her, all right, you know what? I'm thinking, okay, Desiree, I know you want her to tell her to keep the locks, but perhaps she's at that stage now where she wants to do something different. And I just kind of encourage you guys, like, when other people tell you about their different changes, what they want to do with their hair, I think that we should accept that. We should accept whatever they choose to do with their hair. I know I did a video on perms, relaxers, and how a lot of people are going from natural to relaxing their hair. And that was not in any way me judging or criticizing those that do that. I just wanted to, present the topic here on my channel to kind of promote conversation about that. But I'm at a place now, I'm not taking out my locks, but I think that we should accept people and their choices rather than condemn them. Yes, they've had locks for 6+ years, and yes, they have long, beautiful locks, but that doesn't quite mean that they're they're okay with keeping their locks. Perhaps they're at a place now where they're ready to shift to a different type of journey, you know, or it is kind of, it's the same journey because it's a natural hair journey, but perhaps they want to do something different with their natural hair. Your hair coming out of your head is natural. What you choose to do with that, I mean, it doesn't determine whether you're unnatural or you're not. You're just learning to, or you're choosing to do something different with your hair. Whether you're locked or loose natural, you decide to comb out your locks, or you decide to relax your hair, that's your business, you know. And I understand that there are certain points that people feel like they want to change their hair, you know. Some instances, and I'm not saying that these are all the instances, you know, but some instances are when, you know, people decide to do something different with their life. You know, sometimes we as women, we want to, like, when we are about to change our life, there's a quote. You can't quote me because I don't know the quote, and I can't quite quote the quote because I don't know the quote well. But when you're about to change your life, you change your hair. We as women, we love our hair. Hair is so connected to a lot of what we do, what we believe, how we feel, all of that stuff, you know. So it's quite natural when a woman wants to do something different with her life, she's going to do something different with her hair or her wardrobe, or, you know, whatever she decides to eat or whatever. Hair is just another aesthetic, you know. You can cut your locks today, but you can always grow them back another day if you feel like having locks again. You know, I follow people that have just restarted their lock journey, and I'm not here to criticize that because I believe we all go through a different journey in order to get to where we want to be, and we continue on that journey. But the journey is not always from point A to point B. Sometimes the journey is from point A to all these different points. You know, our journey is not just from here to there. You know, we lock our hair, we grow our hair, and we keep it for the rest of our lives. And even that is not from A to B, because sometimes it's difficult. You know, it's just as difficult as someone who decides they want to lock their hair, they cut their locks, they relax their hair, they go natural again, they cut their hair and whatever, and then they do locks, and then they decide to do something else, wear a wig. I think that it does not help to judge or criticize anyone, because what they choose to do with their hair is what they choose to do, and that's a personal decision. Because we as women, our hair is very personal to us. We should not, you know, judge or criticize someone just because of what they choose to do with their hair. I hope I'm making sense. You know, this is kind of like a free talking video. I just wanted to share that. But her hair is still beautiful, and she's got a great face, so she can do just about whatever. But I'm excited to see what she'll do next. But I just wanted to say that, like, we as women, our hair is very personal to us, and so we're gonna do anything, you know, especially as African American women, Black women, women with textured hair, women with curly hair, whatsoever. We have so many options. Like, I have a stash of wigs at home, okay? I'm not gonna sit here and act like I threw away my wigs when I decided to lock my hair. I have a stash of wigs, and that's just to kind of change things up, especially when I want to do a certain type of video, a skit, or if I want to do something to have a different look. You know, I may be going out and I don't want to wear my locks. That is a personal decision, and that doesn't make someone less natural if they decide to put on a wig, or if they decide to cut their locks. It doesn't make them any less natural. Natural is being true to who you are. Being natural is being true to who you are in whatever state of hair you have your hair. Like, hair means nothing when it is compared to who you are and what you want to exude. You moving in your greatest active spirit. So I want to know your thoughts down below. What do you think? What would you tell someone if, like, say your most favorite vlogger, whether that be me or someone else, if they decide to cut their hair tomorrow and perm their relax their hair, cut their whatever, like what do you tell that person? What do you personally tell that person? You know, we're not here to judge anybody, but what is your truest reaction when people cut their hair, when they cut their locks? Let us know down below so that we can continue this conversation. I just wanted to give you my little tidbit, but I want to continue the conversation down below. So your voice is very much to be heard. I want to hear your thoughts down below, all of your thoughts, all of them. Post them all down below. But guys, thank you guys for listening to me just talk, you know. I hope that you enjoy this type of video. Let me know as well if you enjoy these just sit down chit chat about hair type of videos. So I'll probably come back and do some more. And also, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I will upload almost every day for you fresh new content, stuff to keep your interest. And also follow me on Instagram. It's Desiree Marie _ so that you can kind of follow up on my day-to-day life. If you don't see me on here, you'll probably see me on there. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I said, comment down below. Don't leave this video without commenting down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Later, bye.